Okay, so part 284C3m1b7c6. So this is line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c6. Multipole Quadrupoles EMR Visible Spectrum 5G Wow Seti. Just so you know, this is part of, I think it's 16 to 20 videos in this section here. So the keyword research on magnets, on laser beams, visible wavelengths for a UFO communication device that comes up previously in the WOW videos. So this is a continuation of those formulas. So there's the alien radio signal, and the keyword is from December the 4th. Today's December 13th. And I'm getting really tired because I haven't been feeling well all week, so I apologize if I sound not very energetic. Keyword, Google multiple magnets for previous video. Line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c5. Strong, weak focusing, Sextupole net effect 5G Wow Seti. The keyword is multiple magnets. Modern systems often use multiple magnets, such as quadruple and sextuple magnets, to focus the beam down, as magnets give a more powerful deflection effect than earlier electrostatic systems at high beam kinetic energies. The multiple magnets refocus the beam after each deflection section, as deflection sections have a defocusing effect that can be countered with a convergent magnet lens. This can be shown schematically as a sequence of divergent and convergent lenses. The keyword quadrupoles. The quadrupoles are often laid out in what are called photo patterns, where F focuses vertically and D focuses horizontally, and D focuses horizontally and D focuses vertically, and O is a space or deflection magnet. Following the beam particles in their trajectories through the focusing arrangement, an oscillating pattern would be seen. Keyword mathematical modeling is the action upon a set of charged particles by a set of linear magnets. Only dipoles, quadrupoles, and the field-free drift regions between them can be expressed as matrices, which can be multiplied together to give their net effect using ray transfer matrix analysis. We were talking about net effect in the last video. Higher order terms such as sextupoles, octupoles may be treated by a variety of methods depending on the phenomena of interest. Let's see if I can read what it says there. It says Synchrotron magnet prototypes of the magnets used in the Synchrotron storage ring. The large yellow one forces electrons to turn a corner, creating high intensity light. Oh, that's cool. The smaller green and red magnets help focus and steer the electrons. It just amazes me what you guys have created, honest to God. It's amazing. This is the first time I've seen this stuff. It's neat. Synchrotron magnet prototypes. Keyword electromagnetic radiation. Quote from Wiki. Electromagnetic radiation, EM radiation or EMR, is a form of energy emitted and absorbed by charged particles, which exhibits wave-like behavior as it travels through space. EMR has both electric and magnetic field components which stand in a fixed ratio of intensity to each other, and which oscillate in phase perpendicular to each other and perpendicular to the direction of energy and wave propagation. In a vacuum, electromagnetic radiation propagates at a characteristic speed, the speed of light. Speed of light. Sorry. Yeah, you know, I'm tired. EMR carries energy. EMR carries energy, sometimes called radiant energy, through space continuously away from the source. This is not true of the near field part of the EM field. EMR also carries both momentum and angular momentum. Radiant energy is the energy of electromagnetic waves. The quantity of radiant energy may be calculated by integrating radiant flux or power with respect to time, and like all forms of energy, its SI unit is the joule. And the joule is very interesting because it's in the WOW radio signal. So there's a visible wavelength. Notice how high it is. December 2nd, my thoughts. Visible wavelengths reach farther than all others in the graph. Is there a way to use this in communications with copper atoms and the WOW alien radio signal formulas for the deep space communications device you want to build? Keyword visible spectrum. The visible spectrum is the portion of the electromagnetic spectrum that is visible, can be detected by the human eye, and electromagnetic radiation in this range of wavelengths is called visible light or simply light. Typical human eye will respond to wavelengths from about 390 to 750 nm. In terms of frequency, this corresponds to a band in the vicinity of 400 to 790 terahertz. So we're going to Google cyclotron design in the next video. Thanks for watching.